Hi guys, Diane Hogarth here and her friend Victor. Super cheap traffic secrets is available for a very short time. The great Liam James Kay has done it again. Let me show you what he's offering. Inside his boot camp is a whole section called Super Cheap Traffic Secrets. This is the inside information. So, I'd never heard of push notifications till Friday when I discovered the training. Over the shoulder traffic campaign creation. Instagram stories. Campaign creation. Snapchat ads. Campaign creation. Do you want clicks for less than 100th or 1,000th of a pence or a cent if you're in America? These are super cheap traffic clicks. So if you want to get them, click the link below. If you buy them from me, you will get extras. You will get an affiliate marketing blueprint. You will also get affiliate marketing mistakes, what not to do so you actually succeed. I have also got a 7-step guide to Facebook groups to help you communicate and attract people to you. I think my record is 294 leads from one post, and access to my Attraction Marketing Unleashed Facebook group, where I give daily tips for online entrepreneurs to get more business for you. You've got nothing to lose. Click the link below, find out all about it, and I'll see you on the next video. If you want a free half-an-hour strategy session with Millionaire Mom and Victor, write the word Victor below and I'll be choosing somebody at random for a one-on-one brainstorming session with me. See you on the next video. Hit the notifications button and subscribe and share. See you next time. Bye.